Click on the plus icon to bring in the image you want to use. Import your image. Increase the size of the model and place it at the down here. To place the image at the middle, use the relative position tool. Click on the plus icon to add a new text. Click on alphabet A logo and click on edit to edit the text. Add your word. You can also click on the layer icon to lock the image so it doesn't move when you are editing. Increase the text size. Scroll the bottom panel to the right. To change the font, click on font. Then we are going to be using the main font. Go down, yes, this is the main font. Try to move it and place the text on the model's face, on the smile actually. Now to place the text at the back, click on to back. Click on copy to copy the text. Move the copied text around to make it in alignment with the first one. Now this is where we are going to be masking the text. Scroll to the right and click on color. Move the third panel to where the color is transparent, right here at the left. Then we are going to click on OK. Scroll to the right again and go to stroke. And we are going to be using a white stroke for this. You can now save your image. Use the dimension ultra for a quality image.